speed steady. Watch for the stones on the left side.
All right, pull onto the scale nice and slow. Let's get the weight on this one.
Clear on the left. Bring the forks in now. Everything is in order. Proceed with the delivery.
They are coming out spotless.
Yes, the pressure jets are working perfectly.
The temperature in Zone 3 is holding steady at 95 degrees. Good, the flow rate looks optimal as well.
Continue straight for 50 miles. Take the next exit towards the distribution center. Arriving at your destination.
Here's the bill of lading for the potato order.
All right, let me check the seals.
Okay, accepted.
Dispatch to Forklift 7. Move the potato pallets from receiving to Zone 4 immediately. We have a priority shipment.
These rosettes look perfect for baking.
Ooh, can we get the little red ones too?
Sure, grab a few.
Hello? That will be $25.50.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.